Alright everyone, in front of us is the Oppo Pad Mini. Let's do a quick hands-on experience. The one I have is in deep space gray and it looks really nice. It's also very compact with a 3:2 aspect ratio, making it comfortable to hold whether horizontally or vertically. The back features a metal sandblasted oxidation process and has MacBook-level aluminum, giving it a premium feel. It's 539mm thick and weighs only 279 grams, making it both light and thin. They also provided me with this protective case and a stylus. The case is really exquisite, in a color that resembles Monet's palette, with a leather-like texture that feels great to the touch. Paired with the stylus, it looks just like a notebook. It really looks good. You can also prop it up like this for use. Wow, it's truly beautiful. The Oppo Mini has an 8.8-inch 8.5K ultra-clear display, and it's an OLED panel which makes the visuals outstanding, especially with the ultra-narrow bezels of only 2.999mm. Just looking at it is a delight. Additionally, there's an optional light panel. The new generation color 1619 system is smooth and user-friendly. I must mention the Oppo Pencil 3 Pro stylus. First, it supports AI Smart Circle. Just press and hold the stylus, then circle what you want to know or record on the screen. You can also tap once to annotate the current content, and you no longer have to worry about losing the stylus in your bag. Opening the Find feature directly locates by sound. The Oppo Mini is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, providing a good experience for both usage and gaming. The rear display supports 2.5K at 144 frames, and Genshin Impact runs at 200 tuck with 120 frames. The chip can handle 1.6K at 90 frames with super resolution. We'll discuss specific tests later. It has an 8000 mAh battery with a 67W fast charging combo, and smart power management lasts for 26 days. For someone like me who uses this tablet regularly, charging once every 1 to 2 days is no problem. That wraps up this quick hands-on experience. I wonder how everyone feels about the Oppo